Hello, ninth standard. We'll continue our first lesson of supplement reader from page number 3 onwards. In my first video related to this lesson, we discussed how the boy was very excited who was going to visit a fair. Boy going along with his parents got attracted with so many things, with toys, with flowers, with mustard fields, with bees, right? But as and how he moves on ahead and ahead and ahead, he just skip everything. जो भी वो पीछे कर रहा था वो सब भूल कर आगे की दुनिया वो देख रहा था. The way he started seeing crowd when he reached in village where the fair was going on. So now let us see what he enjoy in fair and what tragedy happens with him, and he got lost from his parents. A sweetmeat seller hawked gulab jamun, rasgulla, barfi, jalebi at the corner of the entrance, and a crowd pressed round his counter at the foot of an architecture of many colored sweet. सो बिगनिंग में ही जैसे ही वो क्राउड के साथ फेयर में एंटर होते हैं, देर वॉज वन स्वीट शॉप ओवर देयर. स्वीट मीट, दैट इज़ वेराइटीज़ ऑफ स्वीट वॉज डिस्प्लेड. आर्किटेक्चर, हेयर द वर्ड आर्किटेक्चर वी कैन टेल डिस्प्लेड. तरह तरह की स्वीट्स थी जो उसने अपने स्टॉल पे डिस्प्लेड की हुई थी, और वो ज़ोर ज़ोर से आवाज़ लगा रहा था सो दैट क्राउड को उसकी आवाज़ सुने और लोग उसकी तरफ आए ये सब खरीदने के लिए. सो ही वॉज गोइंग ऑन हॉकिंग अबाउट गुलाब जामुन, रसगुल्ला, बर्फ़ी, जलेबी एक्सेट्रा. ओके, देन many colored sweets decorated with the leaves of silver and gold. दैट इज़ ऊपर जिस तरह से स्वीट के ऊपर सिल्वर कलर का पेपर जैसा रैप किया होता है, सो इट बिकम स्टिल मोर attractive and it looks like it must be very delicious, so people go on buying that. The child stared open-eyed and his mouth watered for the barfi that was his favorite sweet. I want that barfi, he slowly murmured. murmured उसने धीरे से बोला कि उसको वो बर्फ़ी खानी है क्योंकि वो उसकी फेवरेट बर्फ़ी थी. But he half knew as he begged that his plea would not be heeded. Plea, that is request, he did cared. मतलब उसने धीरे से इसके लिए बोला क्योंकि उसको पता था, he was knowing कि his request is not being cared by any of his parent, that is either mom or dad. No one is going to fulfill his request to purchase barfi. So he just spoke very slowly. Then because his parent would say he was greedy, क्योंकि उसके पेरेंट्स फिर बोल देते कि ये मेले में आता है तो वो बहुत लालच करता है and this and that. So without waiting for an answer, he moved on. So he simply saw the barfi with very, very full of mind to have it, but he was knowing his parents' answer, so without saying anything, he just moved ahead. A flower seller hawked a garland of gulmohar. The child seemed irresistibly drawn. He went towards the basket where the flower lay heaped and half murmured, I want that garland. But he was well knew his parents would refuse to buy him those flowers because they would say that they were cheap. So without waiting for an answer, he moved on. So in first paragraph, when they entered in fair, they saw sweet shop. Now second, he got attracted towards flower seller. फ्लावर सेलर ने भी ज़ोर से आवाज़ देकर बोला था कि फ्लावर्स, दैट इज़ फ्लावर्स के अलग अलग गारलैंड्स, दैट इज़ फूलों के हार. तो हार बने हुए थे, तो फ्लावर सेलर वॉज हॉकिंग अबाउट गार्लैंड ऑफ गुलमोहर. तो बच्चा एकदम से इरिसिस्टिबल ड्रॉन, दैट इज़ जिसका विरोध ना किया जा सके, टू स्ट्रॉन्ग टू बी रेसिस्टेड, मतलब it for him it was not possible to ignore those flower. He was so attracted to flowers. Okay, so as he was so attracted to flowers, he went towards the basket of flower where heap of flower was there, that is फूलों का ढेर लगा हुआ था वहाँ पे. ओके, बट उसको अब वो फ्लावर के गार्लैंड लेने की भी इच्छा हुई, बट ही वॉज स्टिल नोइंग आंसर ऑफ हिज पेरेंट्स के दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू परचेज दीज ऑल्सो फॉर मी. सो ही केप्ट क्वाइट एंड ही मूव्ड ऑन. वो आगे अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ बढ़ने लगा. A man stood holding a pole with yellow, green, red and purple balloons flying from it. Pole, that is a stick. Balloon man usually we can tell put balloons on one stick and people get attracted towards that colorful balloons. So in third point on which boy got attracted was balloon. First was sweet shop, second was flowers, and third now balloons. Now the child was simply carried away by the rainbow glory of their silken colors, and he was filled with an overwhelming desire to possess them all. Okay, overwhelming, that is great desire. बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्साइटमेंट थी कि वो सभी के सभी बलून रख ले. बट he well knew his parents would never buy him the balloons because they would say he was too old to play with such toys. So he walked on further. तो उसको पता था कि मेरे पेरेंट्स ये भी मुझे लेकर नहीं देंगे. सो ही जस्ट स्टार्टेड मूविंग अहेड. उसको पता था कोई ना कोई बहाना मेरे पेरेंट्स बना ही देंगे कि मैं बड़ा हो चुका हूँ, ये सारे टॉयज़ के साथ खेलना अब अच्छा नहीं है. सो लेट इट बी नॉट टू परचेज ऑल दिस. सो in spite of taking answer from parents, whatever he was knowing, he just started moving ahead. Then a snake charmer stood playing a flute to the snake which coiled itself in the basket. Coiled matlab you might have seen in movies or in reality also, the way snake remain in a basket like this. Matlab they just complete their whole body round and they remain in basket, right? So now the fourth point where that boy got attracted was snake charmer. अब स्नेक चार्मर जिस तरह से स्नेक के लिए फ्लूट बजा रहा था और इट्स हेड रेस्ड इज इन अ ग्रेसफुल बैंड लाइक द नेक ऑफ द स्वैन, while the music stole into his invisible ears like the gentle rippling that is moving of an invisible waterfall. होता है ना फ्लूट की आवाज़ सुनकर, वी कैन टेल इन हिंदी इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट, तो बीन, सांप हमेशा बीन की आवाज़ सुनकर एकदम एक्टिव सा हो जाता है. नाउ इनविजिबल ईयर्स, नो वन कैन सी ईयर्स ऑफ स्नेक, बट देन टू इट इज़ सीम लाइक जैसे ही फ्लूट की आवाज़ सुनाई दी तो स्नेक ने अपना हेड ऊपर किया, और अपना हेड ऊपर किया तो इट वॉज लुकिंग लाइक सो स्मूथ एंड सो सॉफ्ट. ओके, देन बट चाइल्ड वेंट टूवर्ड्स द स्नेक चार्मर. चाइल्ड स्नेक चार्मर की तरफ जाने लगा, बट knowing his parents has forbidden him to hear such coarse music as the snake charmer played, he proceeded further. So snake के पास वो जाने लगा, लेकिन उसको ये भी पता था कि पेरेंट्स ये भी लेने के लिए मानेंगे नहीं. ओके, ये भी मतलब ये वॉइस सुनने के लिए वो एग्री नहीं होंगे कि हमारा बच्चा स्नेक के पास जाए, तो मे बी दे विल आवर सन विल बिकम अफ्रेड ऑफ स्नेक एंड ऑल. सो ही क्वाइटली मूव फ्रॉम दैट स्नेक चार्मर ऑल्सो. वो स्नेक चार्मर से भी धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़ गया. ओके, एंड देन द फिफ्थ पॉइंट पर जब वो पहुंचा तो ही सॉ अ राउंड अबाउट इन फुल स्विंग. दैट इज़ मैरी गो राउंड का जो वो झूला बड़ा सा होता है, इट इज़ दिस वन, इफ़ यू कैन सी दिस। ओके, तो जब उसने ये देखा तो उसे रहा नहीं गया, एंड ही फाइनली डिमांडेड टू सिट इन दिस। Men, women and children carried away in the whirling motion, whirling motion, that is slowly slowly वो आगे बढ़ रहे थे, shrieked and cried with dizzy laughter. The child watched them intently, and then he made a bold request. I want to go on the roundabout, please, father and mother. You know the expressions when people used to sit on this kind of swings, तो एकदम अचानक घबराए हुए होते हैं लोग, we can tell they become very confused, but then too they enjoy this ride, right? नीचे से ऊपर जाना और जब ऊपर से नीचे आना तो they start shouting, they start laughing loudly, but on face full of confusion, right? तो ये सब देखकर फिर उस लड़के से रहा नहीं गया, and finally he gave a strong request to parents that he wants to sit in this merry-go-round. But now what happened? There was no reply. He turned to look at his parents. They were not there. Ahead of him, he turned to look on either side. They were not there. He looked behind. There was no sign of them. तो जब उसने वो एक्साइटमेंट में अपने पेरेंट्स का हाथ छुड़ा छुड़ा कर स्टॉल्स में जाकर सब देखता था, एंड फाइनली द टाइम कम्स कि जब वो मैरी गो राउंड में जाना चाहता था, एंड व्हेन ही सॉ बैक बाय doing request to his parents, when he saw back, he saw no one standing behind him. He saw here and there, but there was no sign of his parents at all. So now he became very worried, and now he was just trying to find his parents. अब उसको कोई भी स्टॉल में इंटरेस्ट नहीं आ रहा था, ना उसको मैरी गो राउंड में जाना था, ना उसको किसी स्टॉल से कुछ लेना था. ही वॉज ओनली इन सर्च ऑफ हिज पेरेंट्स. ओके, a full deep cry rose within his dry throat, and with a sudden jerk of his body he ran from where he stood, crying in real fear, "Mother, father!" Tear rolled down from his eyes, hot and fierce. His flushed face was convulsed with fear. Convulsed with fear, that is shivering. Convulsed मतलब we can tell shivering. Okay, तो उसका फेस तो फेस, लेकिन ही वॉज कम्प्लीटली शिवरिंग. ही वॉज रनिंग हेयर एंड देयर बाय क्राइंग. उसका गला सूख चुका था घबराहट की वजह से कि ही वॉज शाउटिंग, मॉम डैड, ही वॉज शाउटिंग. पैनिक स्ट्रिकन ही रैन टू वन साइड फर्स्ट, देन टू द अदर, हिदर एंड थिदर, दैट इज़ यहाँ वहाँ हर जगह वो अपने पेरेंट्स को ढूंढने लगा इन ऑल डायरेक्शंस, knowing not where to go. उसको नहीं पता था कहाँ जाना है, but he was simply running here and there. Mother, father, he wailed. He started shouting, "Mother, father, mother, father." His yellow turban came untied and his cloth became muddy. That is, उसने सिर पर जो भी अपना छोटा सा टर्बन बांधा हुआ था वो भी ढीला हो चुका था और उसके पूरे कपड़े भी गंदे हो चुके थे, but he was still worried about his parents. Having run to and fro in the rage of running for a while, he stood defeated. His cries suppressed into sobs. At little distances on the green grass, he could see, through his filmy eyes, men and women talking. He tried to look intently among the patches of bright yellow clothes, but there was no sign of his father and mother among those people who seemed to laugh and talk just for the sake of laughing and talking. अब वो लोगों में अपने पेरेंट्स को ढूंढने लगा था, यहाँ वहाँ रन करता हुआ अपने पेरेंट्स को ढूंढने की कोशिश कर रहा था, and he was running here and there लोगों के मतलब he was seeing clothes also of people, and but he was not able to find his father, his mother at all. ओके, तो अब वो इधर उधर घूम रहा, इधर उधर भाग रहा था अपने पेरेंट्स को ढूंढते हुए, बट उसके पेरेंट्स उसको नहीं मिल रहे थे. ओके, सो रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ स्टोरी के फाइनली आगे क्या होता है, किस उसको उसके पेरेंट्स मिलते हैं या नहीं, या फिर कोई उसको मिलता है जो उसकी हेल्प करेगा, दैट ऑल वी विल स्टार्ट विद आवर नेक्स्ट वीडियो ऑफ दिस लेसन. In my next video, I will complete the explanation of this lesson, and along with this, I will be giving you answers of these questions also, for which you have to write it in your English notebook. Okay, everyone. So by this time, see that you don't only study from here, from where we started today, but you also see that you study from beginning of the lesson, and go through this explanation twice and thrice, so that you can understand the whole situation. The boy was happy earlier and the boy became upset now. Okay, everyone, take care and study well.